Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unlocking a total superpower, training your brain to think directly in English.
Do you ever find yourself stuck mentally translating every single word in your head before speaking?
Translating acts like a heavy anchor. Thinking directly in English gives your brain literal rocket thrusters.
Word-for-word translation totally fractures meaning. It's like forcing the wrong puzzle pieces together, sounding super unnatural.
Seriously, thinking in English drastically boosts your speaking speed, skyrockets your confidence, and sharpens your listening skills.
But watch out for these 4 roadblocks: relying on translation, fearing mistakes, overthinking grammar, and lacking immersion.
Overthinking grammar literally paralyzes your speech. Remember, native speakers make mistakes too, so drop the perfectionism. To fix this, you've got to shift your mindset. Treat fluency like active brain weightlifting, not traditional studying. So here's our core strategy. Let's look at the 6 essential steps to hit complete English fluency. Step 1. Start really small. Just silently name objects around you and narrate your daily actions. Next, ditch that bilingual dictionary. An English-to-English dictionary forces your brain to actually connect concepts directly. Don't overcomplicate things. Build your confidence starting with simple, foundational blocks instead of giant, tangled sentences.
Finally, create an English inner dialogue. Ask yourself questions mentally and totally immerse yourself in English media.
Now, to make this actually stick, let's map out a daily brain training routine for your lifestyle. Try narrating simple, automatic activities like cooking or driving. Just integrate English into your everyday habits. End your day by journaling thoughts in English. Forget perfect grammar. Just focus on tracking your progress.
But what happens when you inevitably hit a roadblock and completely forget a specific word?
Don't panic. Simply unlock the meaning by describing the object using basic words you already know.
Remember, fluency comes from messy practice, not perfection. Embrace those mistakes, learn, and just keep speaking.
Your journey starts right now. So what small brain training habit will you begin today to stop wasting time?